In this short video, we'll be discussing subject pronouns. So subject pronouns are pronouns that can replace a noun, just like any other pronoun, and it can also be put in the subject position of any clause. Some of the subject pronouns, we have the singular subject pronouns like I, you, he, she, it, and then we also have the plural subject pronouns we, they, and who. So singular subject pronouns replace a singular noun, and plural subject pronouns can replace a plural noun. So why are these subject pronouns important? Well, in speaking, they allow you to refer to a noun that you were talking about in an earlier sentence in the conversation without having to repeat the name of the noun. So here's an example of a conversation between two people. You have a person A and person B. The person A says, I saw June yesterday and he was really upset. So you see right here, we have the person's name June the first time, and in the same sentence, but in a later clause, we're referring to June as he. So it allows us to refer to the same person without saying June again. If we continue on, why? I think he was dumped. Oh wow, oh, yeah, okay, I don't blame him. So we see he again is referring to June. So it allows us to reduce repetition. And why are subject pronouns important in writing? It's basically the same thing. When you're writing sentences, paragraphs, and essays, you want to make your writing flow more smoothly, so we use pronouns. So if we take a look at this little paragraph, which is taken from the Wikipedia for Jane Goodall, we can read right here, Dame Jane Morris Goodall, DBE, formerly Baroness Jane Van Lawick Goodall, is a British primatologist and anthropologist. Considered to be the world's foremost expert on chimpanzees, Goodall is best known for her over 55-year study of social and family interactions of wild chimpanzees since she first went to Gombe Stream National Park, Tanzania in 1960. So you see in this line of text, this subject pronoun she refers to Jane Goodall. If we continue, she is the founder of the Jane Goodall Institute and the Roots and Shoots program. And she has worked extensively on conservation and animal welfare issues. So again, we have she referring to Jane Goodall, she referring to Jane Goodall. And that allows us to not have to spell out her whole name again. If we did that, it would be difficult to read and it would be repetitive. So that's a little bit about subject pronouns.